This clear quartz Vogel wand carries a quiet brilliance, a refined instrument of clarity, balance, and focused intention. Handcrafted from natural Brazilian clear quartz, its 12 precise facets and double termination are carved to the exact 52 and 60-degree geometry, allowing energy to move smoothly and coherently through the crystal. Nearly water clear, it reveals a delicate veil within its inner landscape, a natural formation created by trapped moisture during its growth deep within the earth. This subtle detail does not disturb the energy. It simply adds depth, character, and a glimpse into the crystal's journey through time. Clear quartz is known as the universal healing stone, a powerful amplifier that helps focus your thoughts, purify your intentions, and align the energy centers of the body. As you hold it in your hand, it feels balanced, steady, almost as if it's guiding your awareness inward. It becomes a tool for meditation, healing work, and connection to higher realms, helping you move into a space of clarity, calm, and deeper understanding.